Hi, everybody. My name is Hannah. Today, we are going to talk about how to compare two lists in Excel. As you guys can see, in column A, I have people's list, name list here, and then in column B, the same thing. So this is just an example. Let's say if you have a bigger list in here and you want to see which name exists from column A to column B, there will be a way, an easy and quick way to highlight those. Uh, I'll show you two ways. One with the conditional formatting and the other one would be with a formula. So let's take a look how to do a conditional format. Select column A and column B. And then go under I am using Mac, so a little bit different from my previous video, but I will walk you through it and see if you have a different version of computer or a laptop, where to look at it. So under home, you find conditional formatting. Click here and then highlight sales rule. You would see duplicate values. Pretty much this is the same thing. Uh, and here pretty much it's asking you to highlight it a light red for those are not duplicated. Okay, so you click OK, and then it will highlight the one are not duplicated. So if you guys see, I'm sorry, the one is duplicated. So if you see, John is in column B also, David is column B, okay, Jennifer, she's also in column B. So this way you can actually see, okay, those names are repeated in column B. Okay, so you can see this way. The other way is with using a formula. Let's say this is the conditional rules, what we did. You can come back here and then clear the rules, because that's just the rule we just set up, and then you can say clear the entire rules we did for the whole thing, or the one you selected. I'm just gonna clear it all so I can start with the formula and to show it to you that way. Okay, so back to formula. You will go the same thing, you'll go conditional formatting, and then you go to new rules. Okay, this is where it kind of a little bit different. If you are not using Mac, pretty much what will happen here, you're not on that new format. In here, I'm just gonna click classic, and then, but if you are not using a Mac, you'll see when you click new rule, you're gonna see all those. You're not gonna see the step I just did earlier. So from here, you pick use formula, okay, and then you'll always, like I was telling you, use equal sign for any formula. Count if, okay, open, and then what we're trying to do from B, I'm gonna put B1, okay, through B18, okay, comma from A1, and then close equal 0, and then change it to that light red. Okay, oops, I'm sorry guys, one thing I forgot to do, I apologize, I'll go back and then clear the entire formula, and then I need to highlight it first. Okay, that's something I forgot. And then go back, new rule, classic. If you are not using Mac, you're not gonna see that classic, it will just take you right here. Okay, formula, equal sign, count if, okay, and then we're gonna do B1 to B18, comma, A1, close, equal 0, okay, and then okay, right. So now I just told it, just highlight the one are not in here under column B. Okay, so column B, you're gonna find John, and column, David, you're gonna find it in column B. Okay, also what you can do is, I'm gonna clear this again, and you can do the same thing. You can highlight B, okay, and do conditional format, new rule, okay, classic, and then formula, then go equal count if, okay. What now we're trying to look from B, so we're gonna say A1 through A18, okay, and then we're gonna try to do B1, okay, close, equal 0, then okay. So now what you're gonna see is Jennifer, she's in here, Elizabeth in here, Sarah and Nancy, they will be here. Nancy is here, and then Sarah is right here. Okay, so you can tell all those 4 names are existing column A. All right, guys, hopefully this helped. And always don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate for your following and comments and suggestion, and really appreciate that. All right, thank you so much. Bye.